Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell you how to crop videos in CapCut. So for that, as you can see that I've already started a new project here and I've selected few video clips over here. So in order to crop your videos on your CapCut, you have to select the videos that you want to crop. So for example, I want to crop this one video that I've selected right here, and here just above the timeline bar you can see this icons right here, and here at the end you will see this crop icon. You just have to click over there, and now you will select the size that you want to crop from this video. So I'm just gonna crop this much, and once you select the size that you want to crop of that particular video, and after that just click on confirm. So if you are satisfied with the result, you can go ahead and export the video. And yeah, this is how you crop the videos in your CapCut. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.